电池效果，因为主店就是做得好。然后 ANA 洲际酒店它那块儿就是没啥风景。
Kasi gagawa sila ng mga challenges.
Oh. Yan, parang napanood ko yon yung pumunta sila na Mexico, tapos nandun si V of BTS. That's why I watched it. Yes, let's take. It's pretty, the one.
It's like tuturi.
Tutori. Acorn. Acorn.
You're not blowing.
You make my pie.
Nobody eat that if you blow.
Yes, you pie.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ilagay ko kaya, te. Darling, siya.
Nainitan daw yung cake.
Nainitan yung cake.
OMG. Matrix. Oh my god. I just want to get this. Just to get this. OMG. That's what I got. Wow. This is so wonderful. What is this? Chocolate. Toothpick. Yummy. This one. Yummy. I want.
And what is this? It's my hibiscus. It's rubber. It's quite fancy. The rubber.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ang sabi ng video mo, dance. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wait lang, wait. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wait, wish. Ang wish mo? Mama-wish lang ni Rosalia. Wish lang ha, ni Rosalia. Yay! Ayan, buong carrot cake. Old girl. For the old girl.
이거? 이건 비싸. 이거 비싸. 언니 이거 담아놨다 저 가다가 죽을 건데. 그래서 가다가 제자리 갔다. 또 거기 봐봐. 갖고 와서 가.
Yo.
Same color. Can you focus on the cake? Cake. Can you close up? Cake. Cake close up.
Only cake.
Cake and me. You focus on the cake first. Oh my god, is this edible?
Happy now? Are you happy?
Sabi mo. Wala yung ano, guilt free. Ay, hindi, tinan mo. Sige, sino po? Ay, nasasabihin, siguro artista kasi. YouTuber. YouTuber. Ilan mo na? Wala pong 1 minute. Ah, sige, lagpas ako. Oh my God, I love the red tops. Sa Korea, white lang. Alam mo yung, ano, yung ladle. Toffee nut, this is toffee nut crunch. Parang may ano, content ka. Ayan, content. This one. Ano ba ba? Ano ba ba? He was the one who sang Gangnam Style. Baskin Robbins. Tayo. Ayun mo, siya pa nga yun. Mami, which birthday ice cream cake do you want? Oh, happy birthday na nakasulat ka ba, oh? Strawberry. Ay, 이거 알아요? 사과하고 있어 아니고 이거